A very warm good morning to all of you. Welcome to Standard 1 GK class. Children, this is my second video of this week, and in this video today I am going to start the new chapter, chapter 16, and the name of the chapter Places of Worship, and this is in page number 22 of GK book. First, but before starting this chapter, children, something I would like to tell you about that our religions. We all worship gods, okay, and God is one, but we have given different name, okay. And like Hindu call him Bhagwan, Muslim call him Allah, Christian call him God, and Sikh call him Vaheguru. The belief that we have gurus, okay, we have gurus, the belief that we have in God or our religions that we followed have different names, but different religions have different creeds are the same. All religions have their own religious holy book, and they also celebrate different type of festivals, okay. So children, today in this video I will discuss about that the first different religions of their places of worship, and also holy book of different religions, okay children. And also I will discuss about their festivals, which type of festival they celebrate in different religions, okay. So let us start. Like first you can see this is the picture of temple, and you all know children, Hindu go to temple for worship, okay. And also know children, Hindus is the oldest religions in the world. They go to temple for worship, and their holy book is Bhagavad Gita. Spelling of Bhagavad Gita, BHAGWAD, Bhagavad Gita, GITA, Gita. This is the holy book of Hindus, and also the main symbols of Hindus is Om. Om is the main symbol, and also children, Ganga is the holy river of Hindus. So children, this is the very oldest religions of in all religion, and they go to temple. Hindu go to temple for worship, and their book, holy book name is what? Bhagavad Gita, BHAGWAD, Bhagavad Gita. And we learn many things from Bhagavad Gita, and we also inspired from this book. So Bhagavad Gita is the holy book of Hindus, and they go to temple for worship, and Ganga is the holy river of Hindus. Now after that, if we talk about the Muslim, you know also children, followers of Islam are called Muslims. Followers of Islam called Muslims, who in Arabic is known as Allah, ALLAH, Allah. The word Islam means submission of the will of God. Muslim go to mosque to offer nawaz, 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 and their holy books are Quran, QURAN, Quran. And their festival they celebrate Eid, Muharram, Bakrid, okay. These are the festival that they celebrated by the Muslim religions, okay children. So here is this is the mosque, and they who goes to pray for mosque, Muslim. And Muslim also, Muslim are the Islam followers are called the Muslim. So holy book, the Quran, festival Eid, Muharram, MUHARAM, Muharram, Bakrid, okay children. So now after that, what about the Sikhism? Sikhism is a faith whose followers are called Sikhs. The word Sikh means discipline. Their holy book, holy book is Sri Guru Granth Sahib. Discipline in their holy, okay. And their holy book is Guru Granth Sahib, GURU, Guru, GRANTH, Sahib, SAHIB, Sahib. The holy book of Sikhism is Guru Granth Sahib, Sahib Sahib. Okay, and 20 and also an estimated 28 millions people are followers of Sikhism, which then make it the fifth largest religion in the world. It is the fifth largest religion in the world. So once again I am recalling you, holy book of first Sikh go to Gurudwara for worship. They go to Gurudwara for worship. WORSHIP, worship. They go to Gurudwara for worship. And the holy book, the name of the holy book is Guru Granth Sahib of Sikhs, and they celebrate the different type of festivals like Vaisakhi, Lohri, Guru Parv of all Punjabi. Okay, so these are the things about the Sikh. Now after that, this is the picture of church. About the church. First, church. Christian, CHRISTIANS, Christians. You know, children, Christians believe in one God. It is monotheistic religions. Mary was the mother of Jesus. Monk and nuns are devoted followers of Christianity. Their holy book their holy book is Bible. Bible, Bible, and they go to church. They go to church. CHURCH, church, spelling of Christian. CHRISTIANS, Christians. They go to church for worship, and they go to church to pray, and their holy book name is the Bible, 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 and they celebrate Christmas Day, Good Friday, and so on. So Christmas Day, when do we celebrate Christmas Day? We celebrate Christmas Day on 25th December. Okay, children, and this is the festival of Christmas. So children, these are the things about the Christians. Again I am repeating, Christian go to church to pray. The holy book of Christians is the Bible, and their festival is Christmas Day or Good Friday. Now after that, about the Buddha temple. It means Buddhist, BUDDHISTS, Buddhist go to Buddha temple. They go to Buddha temple to pray, and Buddhist temple include the structures called Vihara Stupa. Vihara, VIHARA, Vihara Stupa, 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 and Wat and Pagoda in different religions and different languages. Okay, so who go to Buddha temple for pray? Buddhist go to Buddha temple to pray, and Buddhist temple include the structure called Vihara Stupa, Wat, Pagoda in different religions and different languages. Okay, so now after that, Jain temple. Jains go to Jain temple. Who go to Jain temple? Jains go to Jain temple to pray. A Jain temple is also called the Derasar in Gujarat. It is also called Derasar, but it is called in Gujarat. The four main teachings of Jainism are non-attachment, non-violence, self-discipline, and accepting that the truth has many aspects and sides. Okay, children. So this is a picture of Jain temple, and Jains go to Jain temple for praying. So children, today in this video I have explained about the places of worship with their holy books and also with their festivals. So children, in this video I hope you all have understood. One time again I would like to revise you. Like Jains go to Jain temple for pray, and also Buddhist go to Buddha temple to pray, and Christian go to church to pray. And the holy book of the Christian, what? Bible, Bible, Bible. Famous festival of a famous festival of Sikh is Baisakhi, Lohri, Guru Parv. And their holy book, the holy book of Guru Granth Sahib, is the holy book of Sikh. And they go to Gurudwara for pray, for worship. Okay, children. So now, children, I hope you all have understood very nicely. What you all have to do, you all will complete this page. Okay, you all will complete the page. You will learn the holy book of the different religions, and also you all will write down in your book. So for today, I would like to say you thank you and have a good day.